heat press machine adopt the latest technology to improve the socket and realize the independent circuit, prevent the wire from falling off in the process of repeated unplug, resulting in short circuit and burning out the machine, and using the latest technology to make thick and upgraded aluminum plate featuring safety and durability. Compared with the old heat press machine on the market, it makes your heating more uniform and safe. The heat transfer machine boasts all of the digital features of the state-of-the-art control system. It utilizes quick change attachments for heat transferring images onto a surprisingly wide variety of materials, i.e. coated mugs, plates, tiles, mouse pads, jigsaw puzzles, t-shirts, caps, table mats, sublimation slippers, glass clocks, etc. For business or home use for DIY by yourself.